Hola! In this video I'll show how to get rid of the tagging error on exam number 1 for 1010. So in quizzes, open up the chapter exam, click on edit, click on questions. Okay, the question with the problem is saludos y expresiones de cortesía. So you're going to click on this little pencil icon. Okay, so this was just a tagging error that somehow got left, and these just need to be taken from each response. So in the possible answers, you're just going to get rid of that for each question. Okay, so that's all of those, and then you're going to click Update Question, and then scroll down to the very bottom, click Save, and that's it. Gracias. Adios.